Yeah, bakatona mafumo, bakatona matano, nogurangana, kutopata chuno, kutopata musoro, machinangana, gafe, gaparare, gafe, gaye. Asi, kuna mari kude, asi na chungi sasa buku, kuna mari kude, asi kasani wala, ejiranga, mari akati ho.
Oh my God!
It's beautiful.
I'm loving this.
I'm putting juices. Hold it out. You look London. I'm gonna say for Bangkok.
I'm okay, man. I'm seeing you looking so glamorous and showing all the grace. That's what God does.
Amen.
Sister, pamusha watira ndizia. Pamusha pa tidina.
I know.
Yeah, thank you.
Many don't
Semwana mudiki. Thanks ngazi. But the producer we do pana Mark is now in the UK. So he's the one who's doing the thing. His name is Tadex. His name is Tadex. So yeah, Mark Diwe pana. He's amazing, yeah? Isn't he? He's amazing.
Well, everything that McD approves
Exactly.
should be good.
Didn't deny it.
And is that idea? Hey.
Yes, it's me.
I see andidzokere shure kuchema kungauye kufara kungauye. Oh, but no, I kwidzai. Let's bless them. I love kwidzai kids. Sis, of course, it's I don't kind of. The kid is
Well, you're such an overcomer. God is with you. Actually, it's time for testimonies, isn't it? It's gonna be years of testimonies of the greatness of God.
Kana jobo wani kunyanga zvakamlinga akatungirira asingadzokere shure vepake vakamuti rasamari wako asi akaramba asingadzokere shure inini andidzokere shure Oh my God!
I love that song. I love that song.
I think
I'm happy to see you.
you girls, if you get time, you need to inspect the song which is in there, which is called Dagawitraichi, and see if it's something you can join your voice later on.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, just.
It's a lovely
Do you have
song.
that song? Do you,
Yeah, I'm sure he has it.
That's
Just
nice,
a-
Kombo, guys. That it's sika ku studio kwawe ndola it's studio ino.
unoturoesa na evidence akati vanenge vachinyepa kuti vachifamba vachiti building dzavo. Taura. Not anymore.
Not anymore. I don't want to mention anybody.
Now, so tell us how you are victoriously
I'm okay.
feeling.
I'm victorious. I think you can see for yourself.
Yeah.
God has been wonderful.
And now
I
you
see.
can know that God does not leave a person.
Amen.
I have seen
Yeah.
it.
Kuna Mwari.
Chokwadi.
And it's not like God takes votes from people. Even if we vote for you to go to hell, with our hands up, all voted, we'll still be surprised to see you in heaven. Because God does not use the voting system. Actually, one person with God is majority.
Oh yes.
So no matter how much, what the millions are saying, but it's enough that God is on your side. He is majority. Ari one mari, do majority. That's why we can see you bright like that. It does not mean kuti, and it simply means kuti.
Guys, takumbodzima life yedu takumboita zvabamukuru vauya todzima yeduka tichamboparidzirwa. So tomorrow mukokane, like I said, mangwana tiri
The latest one. They're in here. That's, listen to that.